Hello! Here is a 2-minute tutorial of how to look at things in your AuthorsRepublic account so you can get an idea of where things stand. First, click on your book. Then, click on the Distribution Status tab. You'll see all the sales channels that you have chosen to send your audiobook to. In this case, the book has passed the audio requirements review from AuthorsRepublic, and they have sent it out to all the platforms that are indicated by a green dot. The orange dots mean that the book is waiting in queue to be sent. You can see here that AuthorsRepublic will do their best to get the links to your book on the retailer sites when they can, but not to worry if it is not here. In preparation for your audiobook being available for sale, you'll want to check out the marketing tools that AuthorsRepublic provides. Some of these, like the promo codes, will not be available until your book is live. But it is a good idea to learn as much as you can about marketing your book so you get the best sales possible. Thanks for watching a 2-minute tutorial on how to see the distribution status of your audiobook in AuthorsRepublic.